To nearly everyone, the moon appears to be a sterile, gray, unchanging world. But while the moon has remained largely unchanged during human history, our own understanding of it has evolved dramatically.
This is an emergency broadcast alert. This message has been requested by the United States government and in coordination with the United States Space Command. At 10:13 p.m., multiple satellites close to the moon went offline for unknown reasons. We are working out the question that everyone is asking for at this current moment of time. At 12 a.m. the moon has appeared to be heading towards the planet Earth. We aren't sure why this is happening, or the cause to this. The moon is reported to be traveling at a high speed and increasing. Is this not a joke? This is not a test. We have estimated that the moon will hit Earth in 288 hours, or 12 days. During this time, seek shelter. You must have the minimum requirement, have food and water that last for 2 weeks, a battery-powered radio, a flashlight and the President of the United States will now make an announcement. Stand by.
My fellow Americans, this day will be remembered as a dark, confused and miserable day. I'm sure everyone is aware of what has happened when the clock strikes 0. This planet as we know it will end. During those 12 days I will ensure that everyone, and I mean everyone, is safe from this catastrophe. Everyone outside US borders and far abroad. During this confusing times, we must not panic. Panicking will cause
to be better. Everyone will be happy. Everyone will smile. Everyone.
This will lead into riots and riots turn into anarchy. Anarchy is not what the world needs now. We have 12 days until everything comes to an end. Let's all cherish the good memories we've had in life. I hope everyone is safe during these hard times and looking out for each other. Thank you.